Welcome back. My name is Asad Siddiqui and this is my channel DCO. Okay, so I hope you have liked my previous videos, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe my channel DCO. Okay, so today I'm going to explain or discuss about the difference between search engine and portal. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I have discussed about SEO early. I have discussed about, I think it's algorithm also, but what I missed to discuss is what is search engine. Okay, so search engines is nothing but a program which is basically designed designed to enable the users to browse the information or search for the information on the internet. Okay, it's basically can help in retrieving the required information in minimum time. Okay, uh, search engines like Google or Bing allows you to enter a specific keywords or key phrases and retrieves a list of results matching those keywords and phrases. Okay, we all do searches on Google on daily basis. Okay, we enter some information and or Bing returns some with some results. Okay, so this is how a search engine works, or what is search engine. Okay, one more thing I would like to tell is that search engine does not provide all the information straight away. Okay, so it just retrieves the pages which are related to keywords which you have entered. Getting me? The information or keywords or the search query which you have entered, Google only returns those pages which are related to your queries or search keywords. Okay, so as you know, some of the popular search engines are Google, Bing, and Yahoo Search, etc. So okay, I'd like to mention about DuckDuckGo also. DuckDuckGo is also another popular search engine. Okay, so this is basically a definition, or you can say the explanation about the search engine. Okay, now you guys are wondering about what is portal. Okay, do you have any idea what I'm talking about? I mean, what exactly is portal? Okay, no. Okay, so basically portal is a private location, or you can say that a place on the internet that act as a point of access to the information available on the internet, or you can say the world wide web, www. Okay, so portal is basically accessed through a unique URL, unique username and password. That is, apart from URL, a personal login is required to see the content on a portal. Okay, now you must be getting what I'm trying to say. Okay, so I'll give you an example. You all know Facebook, right? Okay, it is basically a portal where you need to log in to access the information, see the friends, see the stories, etc. Okay, so basically portal is nothing but a website like Gmail, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, etc. Okay, so this is the difference between a portal and a search engine. That's it for the today. Okay, I hope you have liked my today's video, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.